Hey guys, we're outside our apartment because we can't record inside. It's a bit noisy. I thought it would be okay, but nope, apparently not. So we're gonna do our tie-dye here. Okay, so I bought some tie-dye kits 3 weeks ago and they only arrived like 2 days ago. I'm so excited to use them because I've been seeing tie-dye all over YouTube and Instagram and TikTok, and I can't lie, I am hooked. Like, I want to be a part of the trend bandwagon, and so this is it, we are doing it. But I am outside my apartment because it's a bit noisy inside. My roommate is getting a massage and I didn't realize it's going to be super noisy. So we're doing it here, outside. I have 2 basins. And these are the clothes that I'm gonna tie-dye today. I'm actually gonna be saving them because these are damaged clothes from washing them with bleach. So yes, so we have this t-shirt, another t-shirt, oops, and this overalls. Tie-dye is supposed to be effective for, what do you call this? Natural materials. So this is supposedly cotton. We'll see if it really is cotton. It says here it is. This is Antisocial Social Club t-shirt, by the way, but whatever. So the kit comes with this guide, but we're not gonna use it. This is more for like 70s hipster colors. Comes with some elastic bands as well, so we are gonna be using these. And some gloves. This looks like the gloves you're gonna be using to eat chicken with. Let me just put the gloves on. And then I have prepared a bottle of water, which I'm gonna use for the colors. So I think it's very straightforward. You just fill this up with water, up to the line here, and then you just shake it until the powder is dissolved, so there's powder inside. For this t-shirt, we'll start off with this one. I think, oh no! Do you see that? I think I spilled some of the colors on it already. Anyway, for this one, I was planning to use the blue one, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna mix it first with water. Fingers crossed will not ruin this. Hey. And we shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Where did this come from? And then we are taking this shirt and just crumpling it randomly. We're just gonna use some elastic bands to stick them in place. This is not a tutorial, by the way, because obviously I don't know what I'm doing. And there's plenty of tutorials you'll find on YouTube, so I don't need to do that. This is just my take on this whole DIY craze that's going on. Okay. There is that. And then we're gonna start spilling colors. I was expecting this is gonna be a bit lighter, light blue, but okay, this is good. This is dark. Flip it over, spill more colors. I can't tell if it's enough or should I keep going? Bit more and then I'll stop. Okay, that is it. So next I have here some plastic bags. I'm just gonna seal it, put it in, and then we'll have to wait for 6 to 8 hours. We're gonna let it marinate. Okay, I need to clean up this basin first before I move on to the next one. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I just washed off this basin, wiping it down, and then we are doing the overalls next. So this one. This is going to be a bit tricky because the fabric is so thick, but this one has like pink stains all over it. So because of that, I'm just gonna make it a bit more colorful and use pink and red and just cover up those stains. Same thing, we are gonna put water in these things. This looks more red than pink. Let's see how the red turns out. This looks so weird. Do you see that? What is that? Air? I'm just scared it's gonna spill all over. So this thing is quite big. I actually don't know what to do with it. How am I gonna tie it? I'll probably do this, like one side. Okay, and then I'll do the same on the other side. I have no idea what pattern this is gonna create, but whatever, we'll go with it. We're ready to splash in some colors. Yikes. So I'm just gonna finish the whole bottle. Pink is done. Now we'll do red. Like the colors look so saturated right now, but I don't know if it's gonna be the same after I wash them off. I hope not, because I'm hoping this will turn out a bit more pastel. Right now it's like blood red. There's like leftover dye inside the basin, so I'm just gonna let the fabric absorb that before I put it in plastic bag. This looks like I murdered someone. Okay, let's get it. I'm just gonna let that sit for the same 6 to 8 hours. I'll put that there. Okay, change into a new set of gloves. And I have here a white shirt. This is actually a t-shirt from work. Okay, whatever. I plan to do like further DIY on this. I'm gonna turn it into a crop top maybe. Still have enough water. I'm just gonna mix it. This looks like orange juice. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I feel like I made a mistake. I feel like I should have shaken the powder first before putting water on. Close, that was close. Okay, we're ready. So for this one, we're gonna do the pizza technique. That's just my term, but I've seen people on YouTube do it, and it's basically like splashing on a different color on the alternate triangle or whatever. So we will do that, and I'll start with yellow. Can't tell the difference anymore. They all look the same. Oh well. Let's go with green. So it should be this one then. I don't know. Maybe, yeah, this one. It's covered in color, so I guess that's it. Still have some leftover. I could probably use it for another DIY project. But yes, we are done for today. We're just gonna let this marinate. Okay, so we'll wait for about 6 to 8 hours. That will be around 12 midnight tonight. So I'm gonna wash this off and then we'll show you guys the results tomorrow. So I waited about 6 hours last night, washed them off around 12:30. Was a bit of a mess, but I guess it'll turn out fine. This is it, guys. So the overalls, I can't really tell the difference between the pinks and the reds. They're kind of similar in color, but what I didn't expect was that the red would be so saturated. I thought it'd be a bit more muted, so this is a bit too red, but I'm not complaining. I think it's okay. I'm gonna wear it, but I feel like I should have just gone for like one color instead of two. We'll let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll go with the green one first. So this one, I think the colors are not so bad. I should have just cropped it off first or something. Yeah, the colors are not too bad at all. I think they blend well together, so well. But my favorite piece of all is this one. This one turned out really, really cool, I think. So I wanted that blue to be a bit darker, but I guess it's okay. It blends well with the pinks. Turned a little bit more purple actually than it was originally, but yeah, this is really nice. And I can't wait to wear this out. So I'm gonna do a styling sort of lookbook for you guys wearing all of these three, and we'll get right into it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see something similar, then make sure to check out these two videos right here. And if you like the kind of content that I'm putting out, then please make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything new that's coming up. And don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. See you. Bye. Awkward the last part.